Hello, my name is Anafata Mustafa. Today, the topic is about fashion trends among teenagers. A trend can be defined as a style or habit that is currently popular and widely adopted by by the by the adol- adolescents within a certain period, covering aspects from fashion and slang to social media behavior. Teenagers are driven to follow trends due to psychological factors such as the strong, the strong need for social acceptance, the desire to avoid the fear of missing out or FOMO, and the innate pressure to form their self-identity. Positively, in engaging with these trends can boost digital creativity such as in content creation and expand their social network and worldly awareness. However, the negative effects often manifest as increased consumerism, leading to financial risk and serious mental health risks like anxiety caused by constant unrealistic social comparison. Therefore, it is crucial for students to develop strong digital literacy to negative every trends critically without compromising their well-being. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.